Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, today's video I'm going to review this glass screen protector from GPEL for my LG G7 ThinQ. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm going to review this glass screen protector from GPEL. Shout them out for sending this to me for a review. You can actually pick this up from Amazon for $14.99. Bam, if you want to pause the video and read that, it says easy installation, non-H hardness, premium Japanese tempered glass. Like I said, $14.99, prime eligible. I will have a link in the description. Nice little presentation from them. Look, if you want to pause it, read that too. Definitely check out their social media and their website. It tells you a little bit about the glass screen protector. Look, 3D touch compatible, shatterproof, high definition, bam, everything's patent. But let's see what you get in here. I think it's a box within the box, if I don't get trolled by the box. Bam, look at that, GPEL. Man, they really don't want you to get into this thing. I guess that could be a little bit easier. So it has a little installation guide. If you want to read that, you can definitely read it. Let's see what you get. I'll throw this on the side too. So you get dual glass screen. So if you mess up one, you can always have another one. Let's see what you get in here. Some dust removers, a wipe, and your cloth. So let me go ahead and get this going. First thing I recommend doing, always turn off your phone. Probably just speed this part of the video. Okay, once you have your screen clean, no bubbles, look at the screen protector. This is not even a normal, like, thing. It's stuck on there. So it does have cutouts for your sensors at the top. This is going to be the struggle to try to line that up and get it on camera. So let's see if Forbes can do this. It might be off camera for just a little bit. Line it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see if I nailed it or not. Now, if you mess it up, you can always take it off and redo it. But let's see if I can get these bubbles out. I'm gonna see how that looks real quick. Okay, so it looks like I think I missed this, so I'm gonna do it again. Alright, so let's see if that's better. Worry about the bubbles. Some of the bigger ones won't go away until later. Let's see how that looks. Okay, it looks like the second time was a charm. Actually, I got that pretty straight now at the top. Do have some little bubbles that I can work out, but let's see how it looks when you turn it on. I'm gonna work out the bubbles, but it went on pretty easy. You just have to line up the sensor, the camera, and the the earpiece. Wasn't too bad. Alright, so when it comes to the edge at the top too, look at that. So it looks pretty good. Should do its job. Let's see if it's case friendly. Yeah, no problem with this case from Tudia. So yeah, definitely be rocking this. If you want to pick up this screen protector from GPEL, I will have the link in the description. That way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And then don't forget to hit that notification button. Hopefully you get a notification from YouTube whenever I drop a video on the LG G7 ThinQ. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.